guys, DCS here, welcome back to my video. So this time, before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button right there and also press the bell icon for all the new people who are watching this video, to get the more latest video updates. So guys, this time, as you've seen in my intro, it's the Hot Wheels series. And it's the pickup types, guys. It's got 9 out of 10 in Chevy flames. This right here is the 67 Chevy C10, a really cool pickup truck. I actually found out that this truck right here is kind of like the combination of, the Dodge Little Red Express truck and the decals of the 66 Chevy Nova, which I recently reviewed. And it's really cool, guys. It ain't that good. And this truck right here is, at present, people call it the glamour pickup because of its extremely good looks with all of its chrome and, decals and all. It's really good, guys. I really like this truck. And yeah, we'll talk about its looks and details, in the looks and details. For now, let's talk about the previous video which I uploaded. Also, it was so cool, guys. That car was really good because it was from the Kinsmart. And it was none other than the Mercedes-Benz SL300, guys. The classic gull-wing door type. Yes, that one. Check that out. It'll be popping up in the screen right now. Alright, so now, as we didn't have the quiz in that video, here we have it, guys. The quiz is back. So here goes the question. Lexus is the luxury vehicle division of which Japanese car manufacturer? You got the answer, so comment down below. I'll check them out. Now, let's go for the unboxing of this C10. Alright then, now looking at the Chevy C10, guys, the first thing that caught my eye was its two huge wheel tubs at the rear, the chromed out wheel tubs. At first I thought they were custom, but then when I saw the huge wheels, yeah, you got it, that isn't custom. And also the rear bed is completely chromed out. It's continued to the interior and the front bumper to the rear bumper too. And also the interior is quite nicely detailed. It's got a lot of detailings right there, which I appreciate how we do that. And it's got that nice transparent tint, which is my favorite thing. Yeah, it's really cool, guys. And yeah, it has a lot of interior details, which I just recently noticed. It's really cool that Hot Wheels did that, but it misses those side view mirrors, which is quite disappointing, and the tail lamps aren't that good detailed right there. And it's quite cool, even though it misses those detailings. Like, it's got that metal box which came from the factory. It makes it more realistic, and those exhaust tips are protruding, kind of. But yeah, leaving those two details, it's really cool, guys. I really like this truck. And the wheels, this is more like a stance truck than the pickup, Well, now we're taking a round look. Let's go for the information now. Time to talk Chevy C10. So this is the information of the 1969 Chevy C10 right here. So let's start off with the production. The production began at 1967 and it ended up at 1972. That was actually of the second generation C10, guys. It was the 67 Chevy C10 to the 72. That was the second generation. Time about its body style. The body style is a two-door pickup. Well, moving on to its engine, guys. The engine, in the low end, you get the 250 cubic inch 4.1 liter inline 6 cylinder, whereas if you go for the high end, you get the 327 5.4 liter V8, guys, the massive V8 engine right there. Well, time about the transmission, guys. The transmission, you get the 2-speed Power Glide automatic, and if you go for the manuals, you get the 4-speed manual. It kind of varies in options, Well, time about the horsepower, guys. The horsepower in the 4.1 liter inline 6 cylinder, you get 155 horsepower, whereas if you go for the V8, the 5.4 liter V8, you get 275 horsepower right there. That's not less for a pickup, Well, going for the length, guys, the length of this truck is 4,747 millimeters. Time, but the curb weight of this truck is 2,177 kilograms. Moving on to the width, guys, the width of this truck is 2,000 millimeters. And going for the 0 to 60 and top speed, I'm really sorry, guys, I couldn't find out those two, but I've got the price. At the present, the price is ranging from $19,500 to about $46,300. So if you want to buy this truck, you gotta arrange that cash. Alright, guys, this is the end of the information. Now going for the ratings. So, looking at all of its looks and details and stuff, all of its information too, I give it a straight out 8, guys. 8 out of 10 for this truck right here. So, comment your ratings below, I'll check them out, and also comment the answer for the quiz. So, here it is, guys, the end of my video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button too if you're new. And I'll see you all next week. Stay tuned for that. Bye-bye now. Enjoy your weekend.